Magnet off, simulates door open. Magnet back on, simulates door closed. Tucks up nice and neat. It's supported, got a lot of extra weight so you can get big fellas on here, big gals, whatever you need. Let's do that again. Door open, door closed. Everything done with the magnet system. So once you load this into the door, down into the door jamb, and use our kit and our method to line them up perfectly, every time you open and close that door, your steps are gonna move. You see my hand? Off. On. And there's a sensor for every door, so you don't have to take off the door panel. You don't have to do any wiretapping. You don't have to do anything. Everything's ready to go. We took care of you guys from Lone Star Development.